Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is 11 for 9:45. So on my countries, they're now 11:45. So, anyways, let's just get started. Basically, today's session is very informal and short session where we will understand how to write assignment, and additionally, we will learn about APA 7 referencing style, how it's work, how we use APA 7 referencing in our assignment. So we can start now. Firstly, I will share my screen. So that is the okay. Already, I have shared APA 7 referencing styles book PDF copy on your in your group. You can open the book and see here has everything about the APA 7 referencing styles. So this is the book, right? APA style 2020 PDF. Okay, assignment, that is the assignment guideline. You can access the guideline on your PLC. I have already uploaded on your PLC. So at the very beginning, you have to select a company on UAE Prospective Business, and you have to select those business as a BCG growth matrix, like a business example. For an example, just a second. Can anybody tell me business or the organization name on your countries? Any companies? Hello. Can anybody tell me a company name on your perspective on your company on
Emirates?
Emirates? Emirates Airlines.
Yes.
Okay. So Emirates Airlines. Our selected company is Emirates Airlines. So at the very beginning, you have to show your company background. What are the products or service of Emirates Airlines? Their business nature, their major products lines or services, and their operations. Who are they? And about the company, you have to write on company overview or company background or company overview on that part. After that, you have to show the BCG matrix growth uh, as a figure or diagram, like BCG matrix. So you have to make a diagram like that from the perspective of your selected company, like Emirates Airlines. They basically they this matrix has a four parts: stars, cash cow, question mark, and the dogs. You already know the BCG, what is BCG matrix or how BCG matrix works, making a strategy on your on our organization. So if your company is Emirates, Just a second. So your company is Emirates Airlines. So you have to draw a picture like that, and you have to write what is the star, how it's work on your organization, why it is the star for your company, like that Emirates Airlines, and after that, part by part, you have to show question mark, the cash cow, and dog. What is the point of view on your organization, on your selected organization? Okay. After that, you have to show the identification of SBU. What is the meaning of SBU? That is strategic business unit. Strategic business unit is a very commonly uses. It is the outcome of the BCG matrix. Based on the BCG matrix, based on the your product lines, you have to show, you have to write about your selected company, like Emirates Airlines. What is the major identification, and you have to justify your analysis. How you justify your analysis? You can say, you can write your exact products. You have to analyze this and on your BCG matrix, on the based on the diagram. You can write how it's relevant to your selected organization. And after that, applications of the BCG matrix, uh, application of the BCG matrix is means that the market growth, or that's been Emirates Airlines. Emirates Airlines presents presence on your countries, on your worldwide, and the real relevance of the market share. Market share is a very important, or the very commonly uses, because companies market share or market value is said what is the position of your market, is the company is market leader or not. That is show company's strength, right? The company's strength is very relevant to your market share, to the company's market share. We are already discussed the star marks on the BCG matrix, or you can already completed your classes uh, about the BCG matrix. So the market share or market growth rate is said about all about the market position on the organizational market. Like you selected the Emirates Airlines. So airlines as a industry. So where the Emirates Airlines is on the market leader, market follower, or market niche, is all you can find about the BCG matrix. Follow the BCG matrix. Okay. This is already you already discuss about the BCG matrix diagram, so it's not a big point. Here is clarify each SBU into the applications appropriate BCG quadrant. The four quadrant, star, cash cow, question mark, and dog. Four quadrant in the BCG matrix. So you should clarify the each uh, strategic strategic business unit, SBU, on the application of BCG quadrant. Diagram is mandatory. Everyone, please noted the point. Diagram is mandatory. You all have to draw a diagram. You can easily draw a diagram using the PowerPoint or Illustrator. Even eventually, you can use AI for the diagram, for the draw a diagram, not writing your paper, only for use the picture of BCG matrix. You can use AI like a Gemini Nano, Banano, yeah, like you can use. But for the writing your paper, you cannot use AI. You can use AI, but you should or you make sure your AI result will be must below 20%, 20%. And also plagiarism result will be below 20%. Make sure it is below 20%. AI and plagiarism check. You can use, but you will use. So you have to humanize the all the writing things that you use by AI. Okay. So after that, draw. Okay. How can I draw using PowerPoint? We all learn about that. So very simple, very simple. You can use a line. You can use wait. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So very simple. And you can add the picture, text from here. Text, just copy and copy and copy. So now you can see the text is text one. Just copy and paste. So that is the way you have to draw your diagram. Very easy. It's not a very critical thing. It's very easy. Mhm. That is not a Bible. You can draw your own thing or own creativity. It's just an example. So after that, strategic analysis and interpretation is a very important part of your assignment. I think there is you will all about you can find the using analysis of BCG matrix. After that, you will discuss all the weakness, all the strength, all the things you have identified based on your analysis. You should write your own words, but you can also use a very commonly sources available on the internet or the something like that, like newspaper, journal, articles. You can use. So when you will use the journal articles like that, secondary sources, you should use, but you have to use APA7 referencing style or referencing. APA7 is a style or format. So we will learn about how to use in your assignment APA7 referencing style or the in-text referencing. So firstly, uh, okay, I'm just discussing about the submission guideline, and after that, we will go for the referencing style. So after that, all the discussion using the secondary sources and your own words, after that, you should write a strategic recommendation that is a very short summary of your own words. And after that, you have to conclude your assignment. So formatting, it's 2000 plus minus 5% is acceptable, but it is the 2000 words. Font style is Time New Roman. Body text 12. Headings 14. Headings means that heading means that that is the heading. That is the headings. This will be 14. And this is the body part. This is the text of body part. This will be 12. And all the alignment will be justified. It's not mentioned here, right? Okay, I will updated the file. Uh, Alignment will be justified means that this is the justification format. This is the alignment style is justified. You can see my screen. This short format is Control plus J. So you can use the tools, use the function justify. There is the both side will be equal. That's called justified alignment. You should use all the alignment are justified. I will update the file by today. Line space is 1.5 means that your all the line space you can make sure this is the line space or paragraph spacing that is the 1.5. You use the 1.5 on your line space. Referencing style APA 7 we will learn after the discussing about assignment. In-text citation and referencing list. We will also learn about that. I already disclosed the or discussed the plagiarism level and about the similarities of AI and is a very commonly note deep analysis correct all the sources all the diagram all the things will be correct or relevant of your companies. You cannot copy from directly internet. You cannot copies from other student. You cannot say irrelevant something like that which is not relevant to your companies to your industries. You cannot use the irrelevant things. Your written should be clarified clearly and academic referencing whenever you can find a BCG matrix about your company. It's already ready for a company or another student is already uses. So you cannot directly copies from them. It should be make your own thing, own creativities, and additionally, it should be academic style, academic referencing style. So it's all about your assignment guideline. It's a very simple and very easy. So that there is no critical thinking about your assignment. So you have any question, so you can feel free to ask me. After that question and answer session, we will learn about the referencing style, how we can use or how we can make a referencing, how we can adjust the referencing, and it's all about based on the APA 7. APS 7 is a referencing style. There is a many referencing style, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, Vancouver. So commonly uses worldwide is commonly uses is APS 7. So we can learn the APS 7 firstly first very beginning. After that we will if requirement the another style to learn about our academic perspective. So we will learn slowly. So if you have any question about your assignment, I just see you are the three guys are present in the session, Miss Aisha, Miss Jannat, and Miss Khadija. So if you have any question, please ask me. Feel free to ask me, please. if you don't have any questions, so we will learn about um, the APA7 referencing style. Can I start in referencing style?
Yes.
Okay. So referencing styles has two parts. One of the in-text reference, and another was the referencing list. We mentioned or we listed in the below of the paper. I'm just working on a paper, right? Just a second. Okay. So this is a paper. This is a thesis paper, research paper. So at the very okay, this is the referencing list. You can see my screen. After the paper, we are a list of the referencing we already use on the paper. How we can use we can use the in-text reference on the beside of a text. So just a second. Hmm, okay. Let's see. Which is essential for economic growth in developing countries like Bangladesh. After that, we use Rahman et al. 2021 and World Bank 2020. This called the in-text referencing. We are using beside on the text where necessary. We cannot any in-text reference which is unnecessary or irrelevant and which is not available on the internet, like that fake and fake. Hmm. So, Rahman et al's, but you can see that here is using the at all, here is not at all. So where we use at all, where we cannot use at all, uh, wo- there is a journal, there is a paper, there is a website. These are many things you have to collect the data. So now we can back to our papers. So firstly, if if we have a paper or referencing using our assignment or article, this have an one author, so we can use the first author last name using a comma. After that, we just add of the publishing year, right? Like go for the back, go for the back. This is my full reference, right? This is my full reference. So here has the one author, two author, three author. Mr. Ali M, um, Saad Jet, and Khan T. So when when we get the three authors, that is the formula. Uh, when we get three or more author, we can use only first author last name. First author, first author last name using ET space AL dot comma space publishing year. Publishing year. So first author last name is Mr. Ali using the formulas of at all because this is the three or more author and the publishing year is 2020. All the things in bracket close. So that is my in-text citation. We can use where we use the where we using the information, right? Let's see. Mr. Ali's reference, that is the Mr. Ali's. You can see we already use this reference in our writing session at the similar. Mr. Ali et al. Dot comma 2022. Ali et al. Dot comma 2022. It's very simple. If the author is two, so we can use first author last name using and should be like that. Sec, second author last name using a comma and publishing it. Bracket close. When author is only one, so first author last name, first author last name, just copying here, using a comma and publishing year, and publishing year, bracket close. So that is the format. That is the format. It's work. We can use the APA7 referencing style in text reference on beside on the text. Uh, Give me 1 second, please. Uh, Welcome back. So this is APA7 referencing format. So let's go how we can find the main referencing like that. We can use Google Scholar. I think you already know about Google Scholar, right? Or not? Uh, Anyone? Anyone can please tell me? Are you familiar with using Google Scholar or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So Google Scholar is a very commonly uses for finding journal or article. So after you can search relevance paper from the Google Scholar. Basically, Google Scholar work based on the keywords like that. You search about the BCG matrix. Say for example, BCG matrix, BCG matrix analysis. So that is the keywords we can write. on the Google Scholar. After that, you can say that there is so many papers. You can select the time frame where you can see the paper. So I can select since 2022, so that my preference is I can want to see after the 2022's papers. So using the format. Okay. So I can open the paper from here. I open the paper and we can find what we want from the paper. Is that a relevant paper or not? It is relevant paper. After the study, we can say it, or we can understand that is the relevant paper for our work or not. If it is the relevancy of my work, so we can select the paper. We can find the citation style here from here. From the site, uh, just a one click, and here we can see the APA referencing style format is a full referencing list from here. You just using the Control C and copy the referencing, and after that you paste from your paper. Just see about your referencing is fully ready to the using referencing list. So that you can make using the format we have already discussing how to make in-text referencing from here, and you can manually make the in-text referencing. After that, let's see make referencing, and first of the last name at all dot comma 2022. That is my full, sorry, 2023, 2023. So using the referencing, where is the information uh, I have taken from the paper I have downloaded, like that, from the literature review, two or more lines is the relevancy of my work. Say, for example, the Emirates Airlines. Emirates Airlines using the Emirates Airlines information from the paper. So just a second, please. হুম, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে হয়েছে ঠিক আছে তুমি এখন যাও। আমি একটা কাজ করতেছি কিন্তু তুমি তো তুমি তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ না আমি একটা কাজ করতেছি। শব্দ করো না। Okay. So if the information from collecting those paper where I have where we have written the information, so after the information using, we just use the in-text citation from like that and full stop. That is one format. There has lots of formats using the in-text referencing. This is a very beginning, very initial. We can use the information, or we can use the in-text citation. There's lots of formats. You can open the book I have shared already your group. This is a full book of in-text reference or citation manual from here. So after that, this it's a very vast book. 452 papers have the book. So at the very beginning, or your for your assignment, you don't learn or study about the book. You just follow the format we have discussing the today's sessions is more than enough, I believe. Okay. So uh, okay, that is the format we using the in-text reference, and find the full referencing from the internet or the Google Scholar from here. Say for example, we have no information on Google Scholar. I have to go to the internet or using a journal, or I want to automated software. That is, yes, we have automated software to make referencing. So that is the link I have already. Sorry, I can share you from your group. Okay. So here we can input the website URL or basically DOI link. Where is DOI link? We can find from the internet. So say for example, Emirates Airlines, Emirates Airlines. So I can took the information from Emirates Airlines. Say for example that one. Uh, like that I can took the information from here, right? So how can I made a referencing? You just copy the link on your link section and go to the website, search the information, and see the citation is almost ready, but here has a no publishing year. So you cannot use the ND, or that's mean you cannot find the referencing or publishing year. So you cannot find, you cannot write like that. You should, or you have to find the year. So how can we find the year? If this page has a alternative sources where year is available, you should go for that. If there has no another option, you can open the view page sources. View page sources is open the all the coding, all the things you have see. Here has you have to find the publishing year. Here has the available on publishing year, but you have to find. You can search from 2021, 2023. So we can see that 2023 has sources, right? Something has 2023. So you can took the 23 from the from your referencing. So that is the way you have to see, or you have to look after your referencing. The content of about 2025 is also available, right? 2025 has also information available from here. So you can use also to 2025. That's mean the page is updated last 2025. So 2025 is updated documents from the Emirates website you can use. That is the way it's work. So you can see the webs from the website and the article from the Google Scholar, and National Journal is also a very big sources for referencing or information. National Journal like that, like UAE Daily newspaper, newspaper, College Times, right? So I'm just finding the College Times. So like somewhere College Times using information about Emirates Airlines. which is relevant to your assignment or assignment topics, like that BCG matrix, strength, growth, something like that information you have that is very relevant to your assignment. So you want to took the information from the newspaper. How can you took the information from newspaper? That is very easy. Firstly, you should choose the information that is relevancy. So go to the news. Oh, oh, just a second. Okay. So okay. Let's take the information is relevancy for me, right? So I'm just copying the link and go to the start option using the mybib.com website. After that, search and go for the information. Look, here's the referencing and in-text citation, but the in-text citation is not right. In-text citation is not right, and here is the gap. So let's fix it. Let's fix it, right? So copy the information, paste here. Sorry, paste like here. Okay. So let's see. Here has no the writer. Oh, sorry. Here has a writer, right? Uh, Nandini Sarkar. Nandini Sarkar is the writer of the news. So Nandini Sarkar is the author. Author is also College Times, but Nandini Sarkar is the writer. Here is a mention, full mention by Nandini Sarkar. So you can use the Nandini Sarkar's names from here. Uh, Sarkar, comma, N. That's mean first author, last name. So I have the only one author, that is Nandini Sarkar. So first author, last name is Sarkar. So that is Shilkar. Shilkar. Okay, fine. Whatever it is, noun is not wrong, even always. So Shilkar N and after that the publishing year we can see the 2026 2026 using a full stop, using a full stop 2026. After that you have to show the website journal name, that is rules of APA 7. So what is the journal name? That is the college time. College time. So using the college time on the italic, that is the italic. It's not italic, that is italic. So after that, using a comma and write the title name. Title name was what do I tell my child? Blah blah blah. What do I tell my child? That is okay, fine. So to remove the options and the link. So link is fine. You can add the link you while you have using the reference. So you can add the link. So that is the full format of APS 7 referencing style. And as per the previous discussion, made in text citation shorter, uh, comma 2026 bracket close. Sheetcar. Sheetcar 2026. So that is the full format of that is the correct format of APS7 referencing style. Now you can say that the software is made from like that. You can see the different thing about the made the APS7 referencing. Yes, software cannot use always the correct information. Software cannot show the total things or total information grab from the link. So you have to learn or you have to learn the manual things. That's why I already share you the book so that you whenever you have learn about the manual things, you can lead by the software. You can using the software for your make your life easier. Not you have to depend always on the software. Software can help you to make your work more easy and more faster. Not software is make your all things all work done. There is no software, there is no any software uh, your work will be fully completed, can be delivered using ChatGPT, using Perplexity, using Gemini, is anyone so anything software. So you cannot use only one software, one step solution. There is no way to, there is no available software on nowadays in the world. So software can use your using software make your life easier, but please don't depend on software all the time. So this is a very basic guideline of APS7 referencing. I think now is more than enough to learn about referencing for made your assignment done. So that is the full guideline of referencing. Have any question about the referencing and assignment? Everyone, have any question? You have any question? আপনাদের যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে তাহলে আপনারা আমার সাথে সেটা শেয়ার করতে পারেন। I mean,
Uh,
আমরা তো আসলে
I
এখানে,
have a question.
yeah, প্লিজ।
So in the assignment, it says the diagram must be referenced. How can we reference the diagram?
Okay, that's a very good question. How you can reference the diagram? Okay, let's go BCG matrix. You have to diagram based on the BCG matrix. So let's go the BCG matrix. B BCG. Okay, BCG matrix is a theoretical framework, right? That is a theory. Basically, that is the theory. So you you can referencing the three way or at least three referencing for the diagram. Firstly, you can find the theory, BCG matrix theory. Theo- sorry, theory. BCG matrix theory. So go for the theory. Okay, it's Bostrom group theory. Yeah, go for the theory. Just a second. It's a plan. No, not BCG matrix theories. Right. That is the theory, and you can use the main theories where is already BCG matrix format from here, right? Like you are BCG matrix theories using this website or using the BCG matrix theories, the main paper. Main paper means that, okay, let's go the main paper. Let's go the main paper. Mm, just a second. Theory. Okay, so the paper is the rise and fall of BCG model. Fine. Here is BCG 1968 perspective on experiences. So copy the link, copy the citation, and go Google Scholar and search. Okay, so 70 historical diffusion concept analysis BCG growth sharing matrix using the paper. It's 2020, 2017's BCG growth and sharing, and make the intake citation. Make the intake citation. Make the intake citation. Make the intake citation and go where you have you draw your diagram, and on the right corner you have adding the referencing from here. It's a colon. It's a semicolon. So this is the one citation for BCG matrix diagram. After that, you using your company's name, right? Emirates Airlines. So find the Emirates Airlines strength, weakness, or something like that. From the information from those things, you should take a information, take a referencing from here. Say for example, Emirates Airlines, uh, BCG matrix. Let's go. That's a renowned paper or not? Yeah, yeah. You can use. So here has the lots of information about the BCG matrix of Emirates Airlines. You cannot copy from directly, but you can use the information to make your life easier or relevancy. So you can copy the link. After that, you will go for the link here. Let's see. The referencing is much better than previous, right? I think there has no required lots of changes. So very simple changes we can use, uh, like here. Sorry, like here. There is no required month or date. After that, all that things are okay. So Just a think. Yeah, looks good. And it's also fine. In-text citation is also fine. So you can use also the in-text citation from here. Okay. So for the diagram, you use Mohajan 2017 and uh, Adam Kasi 717 or yes 717. So those two referencing for making your diagram fulfill. You can use the information or the in-text citation like that. Additionally, you can use also the BCG matrix diagram is from you have selected like BCG matrix diagram like open BCG matrix BCG matrix. So like you want to draw a picture same to same or you can copy the image. After that you will using your file, say for example you can using the Photoshop, you can using the Illustrate, you can use the PowerPoint, anything software. You can use the colors or you can use the model from here. So that's why you can use these referencing. Yeah, you are grab the model from here. You can use based on the requirements of APS7 referencing style. So that's why you can use your diagram on referencing. Can you understand?
Yes.
Basically, referencing is very simple, like where you have dragged the information, you just took the link, took the citation, and listed on your paper. That is very simple definition of referencing. You cannot produce the information. You can produce your creativities based on the analysis. But for the analysis, you have to took the information from a website, from a secondary sources or primary sources. I think you already know about the secondary and primary sources, right? Secondary sources is means that the already publishing data available on the internet, and primary sources means that those information you are collect yourself from the respondent. You will go for the respondent house office blah blah blah. So after that you collect or ask the question. After that you get the information. That is the primary information, primary data collection method. And the secondary sources is already available on the internet. You just took the information and use your report or assignment. So whenever we use the secondary sources, we have to mention where the information I found. Wherever it is journal, wherever it is newspaper, wherever it is website, wherever it is. The sources, mentioning the sources name is referencing, nothing else. There is a format that's called APS7 referencing style or APS7 guideline. So if you have any question, Another question, please, Miss Aisha, Miss Janatul. So basically, assignment guideline and the referencing styles is the main topic for today's session. So I think this class is already recorded. I will send you the link on your group is very soon for uploading the videos complete after the completing videos. So you can find the information from here whenever you write your assignment. So if you don't have any question, we can finish the today's session. Sir,
Okay, if it is done, so you can leave. So how about the students? You don't have any question because as he showed, you have to produce your assignment based on the given instruction. Without instruction, and if you don't follow, the marks will be deducted. So any questions you can ask, but referencing is a must. As he mentioned, in text referencing or in text reference and reference list that should be included in your assignment. No question?
No,
Isha,
sir.
you don't have any? Sorry.
I have no question. I have already asked Mike.
No, sir.
Okay, if there is no question, so we can end up this session. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir.
great day.
Assalamualaikum.
thank you.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you.
So
Assalamu alaikum.
thank you, Rakib. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.